Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. Now there is only a few ways that you could become a millionaire from Bitcoin, become a Bitcoin millionaire. Either you would have to have invested into Bitcoin a long time ago when you could afford it, all the way back in 2010. So you picked up a bunch in 2010, you rode it all the way out to 2021, and now you're a Bitcoin millionaire. And another way to become a Bitcoin millionaire is trading Bitcoin inside of a bull market. So we want to collect as much Bitcoin as we can, and we are inside a bull market right now. I'm going to explain to you guys exactly what the halvening is and how I'm trading Bitcoin with leverage on Bybit in order to increase how much Bitcoin I have inside of this bull market. So if you've been a follower of this channel, I've been telling you guys for a very long time now to go ahead and sign up for Binance, sign up for all of these cryptocurrency exchanges. And if you didn't listen to me, well, you're stuck out of luck. You can't sign up for them. I told you to sign up for them. You didn't listen to me. So you stuck in signing up for them. So this is your last opportunity. It's pretty close to your last opportunity inside of this bull run before the big pullback to go ahead and sign up for Bybit. I'm going to leave that link down in the description. I'm going to explain to you guys exactly how to get inside Bybit before they shut down new users signing up for that too. In order for you to, I just want you guys to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible. And the easiest way to do that is inside of a bull market. So I'm going to leave a link to Bybit down in the description. And I think I do have a sign up bonus. I'm going to leave something in the comment section. I have a sign up bonus from using my link to sign up for Bybit. There's some kind of sign up bonus. I'm going to leave that down in the comment section exactly what it is. But enough talking. Let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back YouTube. So before I pull up Bybit, let me explain to you guys why I know that we are inside of a bull market. Yes, Bitcoin did just have a big major pullback, but that is the pullback that we look for to get in at a very good price and trade it all the way on the way up. So if you don't know what the Bitcoin halvening is, the Bitcoin halvening happens around every 4 years when a certain number of Bitcoins are mined from the miners through the algorithm, right? You know, Bitcoin is mined, and every time Bitcoin is mined and a block is solved, Bitcoin miners get paid out, let's say 20 Bitcoins for every block that they mine inside of the network, right? Well, the halvening happens is when the difficulty gets so high and a certain number of blocks get mined, it cuts it in half on how much get paid out. So that's called a halvening. So now instead of the miners getting paid out 20 Bitcoin per block, now they're only getting paid out 10 Bitcoin per block, which is the perfect kind of monetary system where it doesn't cause inflation, where you just flood the US market with money. We just printed out money, causing inflation, making our dollars worthless. Bitcoin's cuts it in half, makes it more scarce, driving up the price of Bitcoin. In every single halvening, Bitcoin have the exact same cycle. The halvening happens, and 365 days to 500 days later, Bitcoin starts to go on a bull run. Well, the Bitcoin halvening for this cycle happened last year. It's been around 400 to 500 days, and Bitcoin has went from around $10,000 all the way up to $60,000, and we are nowhere near the top. We are somewhere around the third inning, maybe the fourth inning of a baseball game, and we're not even at the 7-inning stretch yet. I believe that Bitcoin will probably reach its maximum potential somewhere around the second week of September, through statistics of all the other Bitcoin halvenings, right? So the very first one, the second one, and the third one, right now we're on the fourth cycle. If it plays out just like the first three, then Bitcoin will reach around $200,000 to $350,000 per coin somewhere around the second week of September. Subscribe to this channel so you guys will know exactly when I'm going to sell my Bitcoin. I'm going to let Bitcoin fall all the way back down, and then I'm going to get right back in. So right now, while we're in the third, fourth inning, I'm trading Bitcoin on Bybit to collect as much Bitcoin as possible so that I can have the chance to become a potential Bitcoin millionaire. Here we are, dreamers, on Bybit. For everyone that's inside the US, in order to sign up for Bybit, you have to use a VPN. I left a link down to the best VPN there is out there, NordVPN. If you use the code DREAMGREEN, you'll get a 2-year subscription and an additional 1 month with a huge, I'm talking huge, you'll get a huge discount just from using my code. I'm gonna leave that link also down in the description. So if you guys need a VPN, go get a VPN first. This will allow you to tell your internet browser and Bybit that you are in another country. You can say you're in Mexico, you can say in Germany, and then you go to the Bybit website and sign up. So the link to the NordVPN is down in the description, and the link to Bybit is down in the description. So here we are over on Bybit. Here's one of my trades right now. I'm currently up 11% in a single day. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did that, but I'm up 11% in a single day. Let's look at my trade. I'm in on a long buy on Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin had fell all the way back. It started making, all right, let's zoom all the way out. So Bitcoin had hit $60,000 and started to make lower highs and lower lows. When I say lower lows, let's zoom in a little bit. All right, so here we are. When I say Bitcoin started to make lower highs and lower lows, this is the high, this is the low. When it went back up, this is the high, which is lower than that high. So it's a lower high, and then it made a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then it fell all the way back right here. And it continued to fall all the way back to where it was continuing to make lower highs and lower lows, and the full pulled all the way back. So I was patiently waiting for Bitcoin to shoot back up and make a higher high. I said, hey, Bitcoin went all the way back down to $46,000. There's no way that Bitcoin is going to fall. I could have a 10% risk, and I don't think Bitcoin is going to fall below $42,000. So I'm going to wait. The first opportunity that Bitcoin makes a higher high, I'm going to get back in. So it shot all the way back up, surpassing all of these lower highs, and made a higher high, and I entered right here, and I'm on a long buy all the way back up to around $57,000 per Bitcoin, and I'm already up 11% on this trade just today alone. So let's exit full screen. So if we look at my market order, so I went in with around $100. I'm up 11%, around $10. So 11% in a single day. I'm going to continue to do this every single day, ride it all the way up to the top. And if it maxes out right here, I would have turned $100 to around $300 in just a couple of days. Bitcoin can hit $57,000 tomorrow. Who knows? But yes, I've been more of a stock trader. I know the stock market, so I want to be less risky with Bitcoin and only go in with around $100. So now that I'm starting to get the hang of how Bitcoin moves, I'm going to go in with around $1,000. So there are people out there that trade with hundreds of thousands of dollars every day inside the Bitcoin market. Actually, there are people out there that trade multi-million dollars worth of money inside of the cryptocurrency market. But if you want to go in with a low amount, I had around $100. In order for me to maximize that gain, Bitcoin, as you guys can see, only shot up just a little bit. It didn't really shoot up 11%. It probably shot up just 1%, but I had a 10% gain. That is because I am on which right here is a 5x leverage. So it multiplies how much I'm actually putting in times 5. And the higher it is, the higher your reward. So if I had on times 10, I would already have around $30. And if I had it on times 50, I would have turned $100 into maybe close to around, oh man, a lot. I would have turned $100 to maybe around $2,000-$3,000. And if I had it on time 100, I would turn the $100 into a lot of money. So be very careful when you go in on leverage. Right now, I'm still learning. Right now, I'm still using low risk management until I'm ready to go in on a big boom. When Bitcoin starts to make some higher highs, I'm going to turn my leverage up to 25 and put in maybe $1,000. And I'm planning on turning that $1,000 on the times 25-ish leverage into $25,000. And that is my plan on becoming a Bitcoin millionaire. So how you would do it, you would go in, make a market order or a limit order. You'll buy long if you think it's going to go up and sell short if you think it's going to go down. And then you guys can move your stop loss right here or your take profit up here to any place that you want. I have mine set at $58,000. There it goes. So it's very simple to use. I'm trading BTC USD, but if you guys want to trade Ethereum, EOS, or XRP, you guys could do that as well. So as you guys can see, yes, over the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is only up 6%, but I'm up 11% in the last 24 hours. So that is my leverage trading, even though Bitcoin started to come up from right there. So ever since I entered, Bitcoin only probably went up 1, maybe 2%, but I'm up 10% because of leverage trading. So that is how I'm going to become a Bitcoin millionaire. Get your VPN, sign up for Bybit. These links are down in the description. Good luck signing up for Binance. Good luck signing up for Kraken. Good luck signing up for these other ones. I told you guys, but I'm really falling in love with Bybit. I like their interface. It's very simple. I'm going to go in and continue to earn more Bitcoin inside of this bull market, because I see Bitcoin going up to around $250,000 per coin by September. So getting in at a trade when Bitcoin is at 53,000 is kind of a steal for me, especially that I think Bitcoin is going to 3x in the very near future. So there we go, guys. Let me know down in the comment section, are you a good stock trader that want to go inside of the crypto market and start trading Bitcoin, BTC, or Ethereum, ETH? Let me know, are you a professional cryptocurrency chart reader? Hey, help me out. We all trying to get money together, guys. Let me know all of that down in the comment section. But if you guys want to sign up for Bybit and you live inside of the United States, try NordVPN, use the coupon code Dream Green, get a huge discount, and then go ahead and sign up for Bybit and start trading today. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.